Avoid getting hooked by phishing scams and spoofs. Do you know how to avoid getting hooked by phishing scams and spoofs? Phishing, spear phishing, and spoofing may sound fun, but they're no laughing matter. Each of these activities is a scam, typically in the form of an email or text message designed to steal your personal information or hijack your device by pretending to be from a legitimate source. Phishing scams are broad attempts sent to many people. Spear phishing is a more focused attack directed at a specific target. Spoofing tricks you into downloading malware that steals your data. Here's how to avoid taking the bait. Put on your proofreader's hat. Typos and poor grammar are red flags. Embrace your inner skeptic. If your gut tells you something looks suspicious, trust it. When in doubt, verify. Reach out to the company that allegedly sent the communication. Be a cautious clicker. Don't click suspicious links or open unsolicited attachments. Look for locks. Secure websites start with HTTPS and have a padlock icon. Enter errors. Try entering wrong info into suspect websites. If it takes, the site's fake. Update with urgency. Always install browser and operating system updates. Review routinely. Check your accounts regularly for fraudulent activity. Finally, be a snitch. Notify the FTC and the companies being impersonated. Now that you know what to look for, you don't have to get hooked. Exercising a little caution lets you avoid being scammed by phishers, spoofers, and other cybercriminals. For more information, read our complete Credit One Central article at the link in the description below.